mama. Kenapa mau guys?
Ini ada mau. Ada kau kuone. Kun.
Ibu. Mama no. Kenapa mau ya? Masih amigo. Oye, chico, lado.
Dice.
No vaya. No sabe ni lengua. Ay, no echando. Grabando. La mujer me bendiga.
Omo Baba God abeg o, we no wan lose another legend for Nollywood. Abeg intervene. Jesus! Hey my people, how una dey? Another legend for Nollywood, Amechi Muonagor, don come out again o, dey beg the general public say make we intervene for am, make we help him o, say the ancestor dey call am, say na only we public fit contribute, support, pray for him not to kpai. His health is seriously going down and he's suffering from diabetes and kidney failure at the same time. One person, and he's been flew to India, but na money remain. Abeg, anyhow you can help this man, make we gather money, help him. We cannot lose him just like we lost Mr. Ibu. Another legend cannot just go like this. I don't know what's happening. Like Nollywood, we are just losing people anyhow. Please share this video. Your audience might be his helper, even though you don't have. Abeg, share this video. We need to create awareness. We can't afford to lose this man. Abeg, please share this video. Abeg, if you have anything, biko, let's help him out. He is in a critical condition now. He needs all our support. This man made our childhood very memorable. You cannot be a lover of Nollywood and you talk say you don't know this man. Abeg, share this video. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow this channel for more wege news with the totori body. Now see they do, and for here this page na Proco News, updated gist where they give info now with the share. Stay safe out there. Bye.